Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by picking an app that can render YouTube as a live wallpaper. Install the app now and make sure your browser is ready. Keep the YouTube video URL handy. Once done, open the Wallpaper app and choose the option to add a web or URL source because apps require a link rather than a file. Make sure your system can run a continuous video. Close heavy programs if needed. This first step gets you into the app and sets up the raw asset you will use. Next, paste the YouTube link into the app's URL field and choose loop or a dedicated playlist so the wallpaper never stops. This avoids black screens between plays. Then, adjust resolution and aspect ratio, use 16:9 for most monitors, and cap frame rate to save GPU power if needed. Once configured, decide about audio. Mute the source for silent wallpapers, or route audio through your speakers if you want sound. These settings balance quality with performance and explain why each option matters. Finally, apply the YouTube web source as the desktop wallpaper and watch it play. Confirm it stays on the desktop and doesn't open in a separate window. If playback stutters, lower resolution or FPS, enable hardware acceleration or close background apps to free GPU. Make sure the app starts on login if you want persistent wallpaper. If something goes wrong, restart the Wallpaper app first. If that fails, clear its cache or convert the video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.